Ordering articles from PubMed is easy with Article Galaxy. From your home screen, click on the Search PubMed icon. Within PubMed, search for keywords or terms of interest. Click the Search button. Review the results from PubMed. Find an article you're interested in. From the article details, you'll see Get Full Text in Article Galaxy. Click this icon. You will be taken to the article details page where you can review your citation details and click the Request PDF button. In most cases, your PDF will be available in just a few seconds. Click the Start button and your PDF will be available to download. Ordering articles in Article Galaxy is easy. There are several different ways in which you can order articles. One of the easiest ways to do this is by copying and pasting a DOI into the search bar. Clicking Search, reviewing the citation details, and clicking the Request PDF button. Another very easy way to order articles in Article Galaxy is by copying and pasting a PubMed ID into the search bar, clicking the Search button, reviewing the citation details, and clicking the Request PDF button. A third way in which you can order articles from Article Galaxy is by copying and pasting an article title into the search box and clicking the Search button. Reviewing the search results will show the article of interest at the top of the list. You can then select See Article Details, review the citation of interest, and click the Request PDF button. A final way which you can order articles from Article Galaxy is through a keyword search. Copy and paste your keywords into the search box, click Search, review the citation results, find an article of interest, click on the Article Details button, review the citation you're interested in, click the Request PDF button, click the Start button, and in most cases, your PDF will be available to download in just a few seconds. Placing orders with the Article Galaxy order form is simple. From the menu, click Order Form, where you'll be taken to the Article Galaxy order form. If you have a DOI or a PubMed ID, enter that information into the field, and the order form will automatically fill. Keep in mind, Article Galaxy does not require you to have a DOI or a PubMed ID in order to submit an order. Simply fill this form out with as much citation information as you have. Click the Details and Pricing button, review the citation information, and click Request PDF. In most cases, Article Galaxy will deliver the PDF to you in your browser within a few seconds. Click the Start button, and the PDF will be available for you to download in your browser.